Well, today I've been working on a bunch of these and these little squirrel picnic tables, and this one I put a screw in there where you can put a corn cob on it, and then this one's got a little pail I found at Hobby Lobby. Put peanuts or whatever you want to in that. But anyway, I've been working on some swings and chairs and other stuff too. That's why I ain't got a video out in a while. But today I'm going to show you how I make this thing. And what size to cut everything. So, well, let's get at it. First thing we're going to do is rip these things up. To do one, you need one piece that's at 1 1/4 inches, and you need two pieces that are at 1 inch. Now if you use 2 fence pickets, you can get 3 picnic tables out of it. Well, I had the camera too close, couldn't push them all the way through. Now we need 2 at 1 inch. Well, last night my camera died while I was doing the miter saw part, so we'll go over these pieces again. The legs, cut you a 45, and then it's 8 inches from tip to tip. Slide it over and cut you another 45 that's parallel to it. So you get 4 of them, and then this top brace is a 1 inch piece, and he's 5.5 inches long. And then right here, just take a 45 and just nip off half that corner. And then your long brace piece that goes on the bottom, he's 13 inches long, and same thing, a little 45 at the bottom, and then you have your top and your seats, and they are 10 inches, I think. Yeah. They are 10 inches long, and you need 9 of those. So that's all the pieces. So I'll get back to the my video so you can see how I put this thing together. Okay, well, I built me a little jig for this. These legs, they will fit right in here. Just like so. And then I got two pieces here that hold the legs in. Then I got this piece that will hold the bottom brace. And then the top brace will go on right here. And I measure in 1 inch on either side on it. But before we do that, these legs, if you look at this one, I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's screws on the back side of these legs and going into those braces. So the first thing we need to do is I put all my legs up here and get them oriented the way I want them. And then I got this jig here that I made. These screw holes here are 1/2 inch from the top. And these are going to be center of this once he's on there. So I think that is 1 3/4 right there. And then I measured in 3/8 on each side to get the screw hole. So I made this little jig. So, but I get everything oriented because I don't want to get my jig upside down. And they're going to be screwed from the back side. So I just turn everything over. Oriented with this at the top up here. Then I can go and I can drill these holes and make sure I don't get them swapped around where they ain't gonna work. So I go drill all these holes and I'll be right back. I got all the holes drilled, and then on the back side I went ahead and countersunk all the holes on the back side. So now I'll place this one in here. On this side, right there. A little glue. And this fits right against this, and one on each side to keep it centered where it needs to be. Alright, I'm using 1 inch brads. I'm just stick them together. And then the top piece. Alright. 1 inch on either side, flush with the top. And there's one leg assembly. Now we just stick our screws in from the back side. And these are 1 inch screws. Alright, now all we got left is we got our top and our seat boards. And I got this little jig I made here. It's got a hole in each end. Same size as this. So we're going to pre-drill and countersink our holes for our top and our seats. Alright, now I'm going to take a top board. I'm going to clamp him up here to hold the pieces together. Alright, that'll hold him. Now all we got to do is we'll put another seat board on either side. And we'll put our top boards on. Put the two outside edges on. And then these three in the middle. Just trying to eyeball it and get a little equal space in there. I'm going to go ahead and get that put together. Well, that gets that one done. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll probably put a screw in the top of him. But then I got this one. I found them little tubs up at Hobby Lobby. I put a tub on that one. And then this one here, he's got a screw in him. So put a corn cob on that one. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one.